Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Learn with Lucky. And in this episode, we're not gonna take so much time. Now, all I want to tell you is that remember in the last video, I was using Notepad, right? Now, yeah, this as easy as you can create a website or a web page. But trust me, it's boring, like boring. You can only use Notepad. I mean, you should only use Notepad when you're stranded, like when you don't have any text editor that you can use to create a website really quick. But good news, I have something that I need to show you, and its name is Sublime Text. Yeah, if you've been doing web programming or stuff like that before, you definitely know Sublime Text. Now, it's my personal favorite text editor. Why? It's very fast. Like, check this out. I click that, then it opens real quick, right? And then, yeah, this is the file that I was creating last time. I think let's do this from scratch together, and we should see how cool Sublime Text is. Now, when I click File, and then Open Folder, remember we created a folder on the desktop, and we called it Lucky Daddy, yeah, this one, and then we select that folder, and then yeah, and then that's the folder. Now, remember we only created one file, and it was the HTML5. That was the HTML file rather. That was the main page that we created, and I have some motivation here. I've been visited by a brother. I know you can see him. His name is Steven. Hey, Steven, say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Pedro Steven
Yes, that's
from
my
Malawi.
friend from Malawi. Yeah, I like that. All right, he's my friend from Must. We used to do programming there. We didn't learn any web programming there. We started learning on our own. So yeah, he has a Facebook page. What's it? No, he loves Twitter. All right, what's the Twitter?
My Twitter handle is at Achinampito.
Yes, that one.
That's my Twitter handle.
I'm not a social network guy. I don't do Facebook, Twitter, and whatever. When I think about Twitter, I think about Mpido. He's the one who, yeah, helps me everything with everything. So I'm sure he's gonna talk about Learn with Lucky on his Twitter handle. So yeah, in the last episode we created a document, an HTML document. So this was it. We just had a title and yeah, some basic stuff in it. So I wanna show you why you should be using Sublime Text now. I'm not paid by Sublime Text to be advertising their brand here. No, it's a free software, and I have to appreciate what they do. So I'll delete all that, and then I'll create whatever we created in a new way. So check this out. HTML. It brings an autocomplete or a suggestion, right? I just had an HTML, the opening curly brace or the less than symbol in HT, and then it's suggesting what I would want to type. So as you can see, it's suggesting the HTML. When I press enter, check that out. Now that's cool. I just pressed enter, and then everything has auto-generated. I had to create my own head and body tags and title tags. This one is very simple. It's done that for me. So I'll just repeat that. What am I doing? My first website, and let me just finish up what I already did, and I'm going to say h1. Now see, I just typed h1 and then I press enter. It auto completes for me, so I cannot make any errors or many mistakes, right? So I was like, hey, and I should not say hey anymore, I should say hello, right? And then I'll create. In the first video we had an h1 and an h3 tag, so I'm gonna make this one an h2 tag. We should see the difference, right? And then, sorry, let me let that complete for me. Why is it not doing it? It's misbehaving. All right, if it won't do it, then I'll do it myself. All right, yeah, h2. And I was like, my name is, no, I'm not gonna put my name on that same line. I want to create another tag, and that's the h3, the one that we created before. It's gonna come here, h3, right? And then I've said lucky Daddy, not Lucky Panda, because Lucky Panda is my son. As I've said, he hates it when I call myself Lucky. So yeah, I'm Lucky Daddy. Alright, so I'll create a paragraph, and then I'll say I am the father to the real Lucky Banda. Right? Yeah, so that's it. I've created an H1, H2, H3, and a paragraph tag. Now, this is a little bit different from the first one because I just had an H1 and H3 and a paragraph, but I've added an H2, and that's one new line. So let's try to save this and go to the browser. Right. Now, here is the file. Now, it's changed automatically because I saved it. Now, when I open it in the browser, yeah, you can see there's a difference now. There's hello, my name is Lucky Daddy, and I'm the father to, I'm the real, I'm the father to the real Lucky Banda. Yeah, that's better. So you can see using Sublime Text can save you a lot of time rather than just using any editor like Notepad, or if you're using the default one in Mac or Linux. But I think you would prefer to download something like this to make your work much easier. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell if you want new video notifications to pop up on your screen when I post them new. Alright, so thanks a lot.